Good morning, you guys. My family and I are going camping. Well, just for one night. We're going camping with Nia's friends and their families in Lompoc. It's like somewhere a little past Santa Barbara. And I just did my skincare. I'm gonna put some makeup on. Then we're gonna leave at like 9 to get some breakfast. And also, guys, for Lent, oh, someone's calling me. For Lent, I went vegetarian. Well, yeah, I went vegetarian. Yeah, I like gave up meat, so now I can't eat like hot dogs or hamburgers when we go camping. But it's okay because like each family brings their own food, so that's okay. I also put hair tinsel in my hair. I'll show you when my headband is out. Riley is gonna be there and we're gonna have so much fun. All of Nia's friends are gonna be there. There's like 20 families going. Actually, I don't know, I'm exaggerating, but who knows? There's a lot of people. We have a long drive ahead of us. It's like 3 hours long. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be right back. Oh, okay guys, so I just finished my makeup. This makes me look so pale. Well, I kind of am. Is that better? I don't know. I have to get my breakfast ready. Well, we're going out to get breakfast, but we're just going to 85 degrees to get like bread and stuff. I need to part my hair, hold on. Anyway, guys, look at my tinsel. Look at my hair tinsel. Wow. So cute. Just gotta comb out the hair. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of hair oil in it. And then we should be good to go. Wait, let me clean this. It's okay. I ran out of contacts. Okay guys, I just changed and here's the fit. It's gonna be freezing over there because it is near the beach and it's been raining. Okay guys, so this is Nia's fit, this is Mom's fit. Where's Dad? Oh, there's Mr. Atlas. There's Dad. Yeah. You already saw mine. Now I'm going to fill up my water bottle because we're gonna be thirsty on the road. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Azayla already left?
Yeah. She's gonna
Here, baby.
Now we're gonna get water. To say bye to Nick's first. Okay, we're in the car now. We're gonna go get breakfast. This is my Snackle box. I have goldfish, pepperoni. Well, that's not for me because I can't eat it. That's for my mom. And I have veggie sticks, and I have salt and pepper chips, strawberries, grapes, cucumbers, and tofu. Hey guys, we're at the we're in the car now. So I got this bread. It has like custard inside. And Nia got a cream cheese bread. And now we're on the road to go to the campsite. And then we're gonna get lunch like on the way there. So look how cute my hoodie is. We're using the bathroom. We're at Home Depot. Because Dad forgot to bring the table. So we're at Home Depot.
I reminded him a few days ago and yesterday.
beach because our campgrounds are at the beach, and we're gonna go check out. Okay guys, we're at the beach. Oh, I just said, look at how cute this is. It's so big and fluffy. Okay, we're gonna walk back because we're cold. We like got here before everyone else apparently because we can't see anyone. Guys, look how cute that is. So cute. So cute. We're eating right now. I like my hair tinsel too. Guys, look how cool this place is.
Hindi ba tayo mahihirapan kumain doon? We can just get... Hindi ba tayo mahihirapan?
So cute.
Yeah, see? I bet you're not gonna finish your
delicious, delicious food. Look at the puppy.
Go figure out. No, get settled. Yeah.
There's people here already. Hey guys. Hi, sir. Hey. It's cold. It's freezing because the beach is right in front of us. And we can walk on the beach later.
Yes.
There's just kids are playing Uno already.
Oh my god, look at all the... What is that?
Probably not. Why not?
Okay guys, we're looking for seashells. These are the ones that I found. And the kids are doing that.
So cute!
Aww. Recording. Wow, look at everybody.
There's so many of us.
Wow, so cute. Guys, look, I'm feeding birds. Okay, guys, we're going to the bathroom.
Look how dark it is without the flashlight. Ready?
Oh my god, that's so scary. Okay, so we just filmed a TikTok, and now we're going to the bathroom because we have to go pee, and we think the kids are there.
And we might make another TikTok with them there.
Yeah, we're gonna do the pop at 1 in the
One in the
morning.
morning. Oh yeah, they're all here.
Yep, it's all of them. All of them.
Oh man. He's the boss, dude. Is it cool? Like, can I
Hi,
use him?
baby. Hi, baby.
She's the one you gotta be careful with.
Oh, Hi, guys. We're in the tent now, and we're about to go to bed. I'm watching Pitch Perfect. Everyone else is asleep. I brought a vlog everything because it was kind of fun. But what we did, so we ate dinner. We had rice, spam, eggs, and ramen. And yeah, and then we stayed in Riley's tent. We went to the beach at night to look. But honestly, that's what all we did today. And that's it. Tomorrow we're gonna wake up really early in the morning to watch the sunrise at the beach. Drink some coffee. And yeah, so good night, guys. Good morning, guys. I woke up like not too long ago. I did not watch the sunrise. I was too cold to watch the sunrise. So I didn't go. There's a rocket launch last night. I'll show you. do my skincare. Okay, so he's actually not out there and I forgot to bring paper towels and there's no paper towels in here. So I don't know how I'm gonna wash my face. We'll figure it out. Okay, I just finished brushing my teeth, so now I'm gonna wash my face. The water's so cold.
Maybe
Hey,
it's
guys.
running out of
Mom's cooking. What are you cooking, Mom?
bakey.
Bacon. I'm doing my skincare outside. Because why not? The water's so cold. Maybe I should start washing my face in cold water. Wow, so shiny.
I think it will take us forever to. Can I call your dad?
Dad. I'm gonna do my makeup because I'm just sitting here and I don't know what else to do.
Ano kasi? Hanginan eh. Ano to? Kanina. He has the whole shebang. Right here. Right. Yeah. Stuck in my head. Because you always play it.
It's a good song.
What?
It's a good song. It's a good lash day.
Really? Is there a good day for that?
Yeah, a good. Put some of this on.
Should get this in at water.
Okay, guys, I'm cooking my breakfast. Oh, where are the plates?
Butter.
I put a lot of butter.
Kasi natutuyo siya kaagad eh.
Listen to Mom.
What else do you want?
So yummy. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna make my coffee.
We didn't have syrup, I know.
So one.
Princess, don't make me feel bad. I know, I was like, shit, I forgot.
Can you open this, please?
Sugar.
Okay, I'm just doing this one.
Oh, you're so cute. You want pancake? Do you like it? You like it though?
Yeah, I do. It's like chocolate milk, actually. We're feeding birds again. Catch! She's flying a kite!
Got it to work.
Wait, I don't know. Oh, there it is. Yay!
Bump it, bump it. Bump the other one. Forgot about
hold on, look at the view. Wow, so pretty. Bye. So yeah, we're going home. We have a 3-hour drive ahead of us. We're gonna get food on the way home, and then we get to see our kitty cats, our babies.
I smell, I miss their smell.
Hi, we're back home with the babies. I slept all the way back home. Mom, did you sleep all the way back home?
What?
Did you sleep all the way back home?
No, I wasn't able to.
Look at him. Oh, so pretty. So pretty, little man. We're trying to figure out what we want for dinner. So, okay guys, update. We just ate dinner. Hi. We ate pho. Here's Nick. He's laying down with me. Oh, so cute. Look. Okay guys, so I just did my skincare. Oh, my bag just fell. Look at Miss Kyler. Oh, so cute. So I'm gonna put my little toiletry bag away. I have like, well, my skincare was in here and I just my skincare, so I emptied it out and put it back where it belongs. Okay, so I love doing my nails, and usually when I do my nails, I do like gel X. So I'm putting fake nails on my nails, and for some reason, like my nails have been having an allergic reaction to something. It can't be like the actual nail polish itself because I put gel polish on my toes, and it doesn't react, but only my finger skin does. So I don't know what's happening, and I tried replacing the glue and the top coat with like a allergy-free like ingredients, I don't know, and it still didn't work. So I'm gonna try doing my nails on my actual nails. So that's why I'm trying to grow them out and make them stronger. So with this nail oil, so that's my plan. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I cut my nails like yesterday or 2 days ago, and they're already like low-key growing a little bit. You see the white tips. I'm gonna stay in bed. I'm gonna watch on my iPad. I don't know what I'm gonna watch. Oh my gosh, guys, did you see my hair tinsel? I don't know if I showed you guys. I put hair tinsel in my hair the day before we left to go camping. I watched Honora, and then I was like, oh, and I saw the hair tinsel in her hair, and then I kept seeing it on my For You page, and I was like, it's a sign. So that's all I have to say. So just gonna watch on my iPad. Lilia says bye.